Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can solve MSVCP100.dll file error. So suppose you see this error on your Windows operating system that MSVCP100.dll file is missing from your computer. You can solve this problem by the procedure I'm going to show you. So first of all, you just need to open your favorite browser and search for MSVCP100.dll. So search for it, and the first link you will find here is www.dll-files.com, and here in the heading you will be able to see MSVCP100.dll free download. Just click this link, and this is the website which provides you MSVCP.dll file for free, and they also provide the paid support. But for our purpose, it's totally fine to download the free version of this MSVCP.dll file. We don't want any paid support or any premium support. So we are going to go to this category called manual fix, and in here go down, and in here just click this download zip file, and if it shows the version for which you want to download this DLL file, just choose the version of your operating system. Now if you don't know what is the version of your operating system or what is the type of your operating system, you can just search for system in your search bar, and once you search for system, you will be able to see in system type I have 64-bit operating system, but if you have 32-bit operating system, you need to download 32-bit zip file. So I will download this 64-bit zip file from here, right? So 64-bit zip file, click download, and it will ask you if you want to save this or open this. I will save this file, and then I will open this zip file here, and this file contains MSVCP100.dll file and this readme file. Now what we need to solve our problem is you just need to copy this MSVCP100.dll file from here. Just copy this from here, and you just need to go to this your C folder. So go to this C folder, and then go to folder called Windows, and in Windows folder you need to search for a folder called System32, this folder. So in C folder, Windows and System32, you will be able to see this folder, and in here all your DLL file resides, okay? And most probably this file is missing from this folder. So you just need to paste your copied file, which is MSVCP100.dll. You just need to paste it here, and in here if it shows this message that you will need to provide administrative privileges, you just need to continue, okay? And then this file will be copied to your System32 folder, and then your problem for MSVCP100.dll missing from your computer will be solved. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please rate, comment and subscribe, and bye for now.